Hey, Poppy here, Caffeine and BS for May 8th, 2019. I just finished processing some hamster meats videos. It is so cute. This little toy hamster reacts to people's voices. Watch. Watch Poppy's Workshop.
Watch Poppy's Workshop.
Subscribe to Poppy's Workshop.
Subscribe to Poppy's Workshop.
Poppy is freaking funny.
Poppy is freaking funny.
Anyway, I shot like 6 or 7 of them. A hamster, yeah, hamster's over here now. For you, yeah. With hamster reacting to some of the other creators like Adam Booth and Emma, Blondie Hacks. And he especially likes Gutzewinter. Stefan talks with a voice that's exactly modulated, and his utterances come at exact right timing that this little guy does a good job of repeating them word for word. Do you like Stefan?
You like Stefan?
Does good work.
Does good work.
After last night's Emma's live stream, I thought that maybe playing with this would be cute, but the bird talks. You can imagine what's funny about a toy parrot that talks. It says 5 different things. There was a movie, it was a comedy of course, about this nun rescued a parrot from a bordello. Potty mouth. So we won't be playing with Mr. Parrot on YouTube.